Hi YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Watkins Homesteading. Avery and I recently took a trip to Norfolk, Virginia. Norfolk is really special to us because it's actually where we met.
Yep.
So we hope you guys enjoy this video.
Typical tunnel traffic. If you know anything about driving to the 757 at Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, you will always hit some traffic.
Everybody, we just made it to Norfolk, so we are about to go grab something to eat. As you saw, there was quite a bit of tunnel traffic. It used to make me really mad, but I'm kind of used to it now, so I really just expect it at this point. And yeah, it was pretty cool. They're actually expanding the bridge, so you'll be able to, you saw that a little bit in our videos, but yeah, so we just got here ready to get some good food and hang out for a bit. Do you have anything to add?
No, I'm just excited to be out of that traffic.
Yeah, definitely excited. No more traffic from here on out. Pray for us. So stay tuned. We'll see you guys soon.
First stop, Peck and Pour.
We had to do it.
Always a good time. Get the wings. Wings, wings, wings. I got bourbon and buffalo. What'd you get?
I had tangy Carolina.
We got some lumpia. It's like a Filipino-inspired wing spot. A lot of local beers. Can't miss.
Always good. Always a good decision.
Next up, we don't know. We'll figure it out. Stay tuned. So we don't have an IKEA where we live. So my job is to carry the bag while she shops. Pray for me, y'all.
All right, everybody. So we just checked out of the hotel and I think we're gonna go grab some brunch, make a few stops, see a few people, a few friends that we haven't seen in a while, and then head back home. So it's a quick trip, but we had a great time yesterday and we'll finish out today.
So we just had an amazing brunch at Toast. We got a quiche to share.
I had it was like a frittata with pulled pork and cheese sandwich. So good.
And I got a grit bowl with like curried style shrimp, pimento cheese. It's like pickled red onions, some type of like relish. What else is in it? Oh, Parmesan cheese. It was just a creation. Obviously, you guys are seeing this as we're talking, but Toast, can't miss. We've been before.
Recommend.
Yeah, we've been before. We were gonna go somewhere new, but unfortunately, they weren't open yet. So We just came to an old classic, and again, toast, man. You can't miss, you can't miss, you can't miss.
Yeah, if you're in the area, definitely stop by. They've got a full bar, all kinds of drinks. It's amazing.
So we're gonna take a quick trip to stop at a local pet store to pick up some snacks for Bay and Ace, just some quick treats for our boys to say welcome back home, and after that, we're gonna get on the road. I just wanted to be noted that when we were in school, none of these houses were here. All of these houses were a parking lot. All right, so we're back. We've made it home. So let me tell y'all a quick story. Myra made the reservation for a car. They had a Subaru, Outback? Forester? Outback. So we were like, station wagon. Not really our swag, not really our style. But we were like, you know what? Let's ride with it. So our goal was to go to IKEA, pick up a few things. Only IKEA. So, seeing that we have an Outback and all this space.
We got a little bit more than IKEA.
And the seats go down. We got a little carried away. I got on Facebook Marketplace, found some fencing for a super good deal. Picked that up. Got some tools. Stopped by a friend's mother's house. She made us a whole meal. Was not expecting that. Our luggage. What else? What else? There's something else in here.
There probably is.
Just
who knows
we just started
what's
buying
back there
stuff.
at this point.
We just started buying stuff. So I'm blessed. You know, it is a sign that we got an Outback because we loaded up and picked up a lot of stuff that we needed. So shout out to Subaru, the Outback 2019. Smooth vehicle, lane assist.
Great gas
mileage, Apple CarPlay. You got a new fan. You got a new fan for sure. But we're back home safe. Everybody needs to get fed, taken care of, check on things. So join to come in here with that real quick. But again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure that you know what. Share, like, and subscribe. And see you on the next episode.
See you guys next time.
Bye.